Hey, what's going on, guys? Brian and I are working on this Mercedes. I noticed there's this dangly thing hanging out of this freaking brake rotor. Brian, what's that thing all about?
So this right here is a wheel who's a majigget, and it comes in the tire change kit that nobody ever looks at.
Yeah.
But basically, German cars, a lot of them have lug studs, which is basically a lug nut and a stud.
I see.
So it's a bolt. It's really,
Yeah.
It's a bolt. So when you take the tires off, when you take the fifth one off, the tire will fall.
Yep.
It's hard to hold it up. So instead, what you do is you take one wheel lug out, and while the tire's on, and just thread this in a few turns, and you take the rest of the bolts out, and the tire will kind of fall onto this.
So we're going to demo that right now. We'll show you how it works.
Okay, so to put it on, now all you do is line up that one stud, and now your hands are free.
Nice.
You can
There you go.
get your first lug going already. And then once you get these four in, you take this out and off to the next wheel. So, it's just one of those goofy things that sits in your trunk.
Yeah.
If you have one of those German cars with wheel studs, most of them come with that, and it just makes it so much easier than arguing with it and putting the screw in. It's just safer too.
Well, let's come to some.
Yeah.
Hey, so this is where that wheel alignment tool comes out of. It's in this bag Brian found on the back of his Mercedes. So if you have one of these bags, go poking around in there. It's probably in there, right, Brian?
Correct.